Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. So basically we have three options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom we have right here information, SN, what means serial number, so you can check it here. Or you can find this information at your speaker. You need to turn over it, and right here at the bottom we have the same number, so this is your serial number. You can check it here, or you can use an application. Open JBL One app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see it at the device list, and tap at your speaker, scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. And right here at the second line we have serial number, so this is a third option. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!